Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we are comparing two popular robot vacuum cleaners, the iRobot Roomba 692 and the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Roomba 692 is priced at $269, while the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at a more affordable $199. If you're on a budget, the AIRROBO might be the better option for you. Now let's talk about cleaning performance. The iRobot Roomba 692 features a 3-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface brushes, which effectively grabs dirt from both carpets and hard floors. It also has an edge-sweeping brush to tackle corners and edges. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful suction of 2,800 pascals, making it highly efficient in picking up debris and pet hair from all surfaces. It also has a unique scraper technology that deep cleans fine dust in tile gaps. Both models offer great cleaning performance, but the AIRROBO's powerful suction gives it an edge. Moving on to smart features, the iRobot Roomba 692 learns your cleaning habits and offers personalized schedules. You can control it using the iRobot Home app or voice assistants like Google Assistant and Alexa. It also has adaptive navigation, allowing it to maneuver under furniture and along edges. Additionally, the Roomba 692 senses dirtier areas and cleans them more thoroughly. On the other hand, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner can be controlled through the AIRROBO app, where you can set up cleaning schedules, change cleaning modes, and control suction levels. It also features advanced navigation with gyroscope technology for more efficient cleaning. Both models offer convenient smart features, so it comes down to personal preference. Battery life is an important consideration for robot vacuums. The iRobot Roomba 692 runs for up to 90 minutes before automatically docking and recharging. In comparison, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner impresses with a longer runtime of up to 120 minutes, making it suitable for larger spaces. Its auto-recharge feature ensures it returns to the charging dock when the battery is low or cleaning is complete. Overall, online reviews suggest that both the iRobot Roomba 692 and the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner are highly rated by customers. Let's take a look at some specific reviews to get a better understanding of the user experiences. So, which robot vacuum cleaner should you choose? If you're looking for a more affordable option, the AIRROBO Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers great value for money. With its powerful suction and advanced navigation, it's an excellent choice for thorough cleaning. However, if you prioritize brand reputation and personalized cleaning schedules, the iRobot Roomba 692 might be the better option for you. Ultimately, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we've got your back when it comes to making smart purchases. See you next time.